What's up, guys? I'm your host, Dylan. This is my co-host, Hunter. And we're out here today in the goddamn mother snow, baby. No, so yeah, as you can see, we came up to Roush last night. Woke up this morning with a decent dusting on the ground. Nothing crazy, maybe half an inch to an inch at the most. It's gonna be an interesting day of finding traction, especially on the Tusk Dual Sports. Might drop her a few times for sure, but... Huh?
Yamaha's gas cap design sucks.
Yamaha, your gas cap design sucks. I could go for a cheeseburger. Anyways, it's gonna be a little slick out there today, but it'll be a good time, so. Right now we're just fueling up. Why don't you tell us about what you have on right now, bud?
I got a Leatt, I don't even know what you call this, jersey.
I would call that a windbreaker.
It's not a wind protector, I don't think that's what the advertisement.
I would call that a wind and rain protector.
Just waterproof. It's real thin, it's got little vents on the bottom so you don't get too hot. So we'll see what runs today. And then other than that, I got my Leatt 5.5 Flex Lock Dura Boost.
What's the name of this jacket? For
Leatt,
people to find it.
Just go on Leatt's website and look under jackets. It's under there somewhere.
Obviously, Leatt's the way to go. So far, 509's doing pretty good. Obviously, the Leatt 5.5 Flex Locks with the Enduro sole, must have. Let's skip ahead, go pay, jump out on the trail. We'll see you out there. As you guys can see, there's nobody here today. The only people you're going to find out here today are the ones with huge... You're not supposed to do that here. Come back here. Stop going that way. Oh, you're killing me. I could kill him right now. Do you want to die today, son? Don't do that. This road, I just had to sign a bunch of stuff saying you're not supposed to go on the road. And what do? You're making me go crazy. I think he's stuck. Huh?
He needs a different bike.
Oh, it's not the bike. It's the rider, dude.
Yeah, I'm saying
that bike is capable as hell. I mean, yes, it's the high compression version of your bike, and technically it is not ideal for riding on trails like this without stalling it, fouling plugs, all that good stuff. Yeah, bud.
Recording?
You're good.
Get out of here. Oh, come on. want to know if it was me and you, how much ground we could cover.
Oh, dude, we could go nuts.
Back tire almost washed me twice. I saw you in front, I got you going like this. Going down that hill.
Yeah. Yeah, it gets a little squishy, a little wishy-washy, a little flippy-floppy, tippy on my toppy. Riding dirt bikes in the snow, getting a little slippery.
All right, Billy, you good?
All right, let's cut the bullshit, start these bikes. Get back to the trailer.
Really giving Schmida a beating, eh? Whew. All right, we're gonna get you over this log and then go over this one. Ready?
Yeah.
That was a good one.
Yeah. It was, bud.
All of us are falling today. I ate it pretty good.
What? You did too?
Yeah.
My foot slipped off the mud.
Sha-da-da-da-da-da. Bruv.
Hell yeah.